It's the 18th of October 2021, and welcome to our morning storm debrief. Just to go over last week, I had quite a strong week. Precious metals really kicked off a little bit, and I think our index, really had a really decent week. I think commodity prices obviously were responsible for some of the gains and diversified, with copper price moving pretty much from $410 to $478. Big moves in some of the PGM spaces. But looking to this week, I think we had a bit of a slightly change in sentiment on Friday. PGMs came off a little bit, and there was quite serious selling amongst our bank sector. I think this morning we had China data that came out with retail sales, which is a little bit better. We've got S&P sort of unchanged since our close, and the US 10-year creeping back up to 160. It'll be interesting to see how that behaves with regarding to tech today. You've got Tencent off 1.6%, and a bit of selling on Friday in process in Naspers. So we'll see this morning. Rand's pretty firm at 14.67. Dollars a little bit more bid up. So all in all, to look at some of our ideas for today, I think we had on Friday one of the key stock movers was Mediclinic. Sort of had a decent trading update. Market really received it well and sort of broke up to just before it traded up to 70. I think this one might be one to watch for continuation. Not bad volume on the day. Let's see if we can get above 70. And I think if we can get above 70, this could target 75.50 region. Definitely in play and to watch are these Mediclinic and Netcare and Life Healthcare, all the healthcare stocks. So let's have a quick look. Also, Life Healthcare did come up with their update. Told you there was a little bit more selling in the stock, but it might have broken up a little bit. Needs to close at 23.25. If you can get above 23.29, might be one to watch, and also play a part in the healthcare sector, bullish trade action. Then looking at some of the weaker stocks, I think we've got to look to the banking sector. So these are the stocks that I'd probably be looking not to be owning up front. I think let's have a quick look at FirstRand. FirstRand traded pretty poorly on Friday, broke through $60. It did pay a divvy, but I think the next level of support is around 58.50. So don't go bottom picking here. Trade action isn't great. So we're probably looking to get short of FirstRand on a bounce today. Standard Bank similar, it's sort of breaking through down this channel here. The 200 days at 131.65, so just keep that in mind. Often you might have a bit of a false breakdown, especially on a Monday. But keep an eye on these stocks now aren't great. Absa is another one that also sort of holds this channel. So 38.50 I would say should be your, if you're long, your last line of defense. And then I think let's have a watch the top 40. Obviously top 40 is trading really well. Aussie this morning I think would be in the range between 6,400 and 61k. With commodity prices and copper still trading well, I don't think diversifieds will be too badly today. Billy's off 1%. But I think all in all, I think our index might be biased to selling some Aussies on the open. Pretty much, that's all we've got for today, and we will give you a recap later.